all the trades that you see right here, you wouldn't have had to enter or exit these positions. It would have traded this for you. It would have entered the position and exited where it says TP hit. Entered you in right here, sniper entry, exited you in. So if you traded just today, this is just today, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, it looks like 12. You would have had 12 wins today. 12 wins, 89% win rate. So that means it did take a loss. The biggest drawdown was 600, but it made 6,000. 6,500. The bot is about to make so many people money and make so many people profitable. And I'm not gonna cap to y'all. Like, I'm gonna be very honest. I probably won't place another trade again. I ain't gonna cap to you. I probably won't place another trade ever again if it's as good as it's looking. These are the list of trades, and this is just one. We got a couple beta testers, but this is just a list of trades that it took today, and you can set the amount of risk. I'm gonna show you guys just a sneak peek of it, but these are the settings for it, so you'll be able to set how much you want to risk per trade. So we're gonna tell people to trade micros only instead of the minis. That way it can have more control of the risk, and you can pick the time zone. You can have it take a certain amount of trades today. So even though this was like 10 plus wins today, if you're on a prop firm, which it does allow prop firms because they're partnered with it. You know, Apex, they even have their own, thing. So this is the platform that we're gonna use. I'll go into that in a bit. But you said, so this is a bot and not the indicator, right? So the indicator, you have to manually buy and sell. The bot will actually buy and sell for you. It's the automated version, yep. So yeah, you won't need a laptop. You can trade with your phone. All you'll do is set alerts. We're gonna have a full-on tutorial about it. All you'll have to do is set alerts, and it will essentially, let me pull it up. And I'm gonna have Coach Jason go through it when it's time to launch, but you'll set alerts. Every time an alert is triggered on TradingView, you'll need TradingView and QuantCrawler. So think of QuantCrawler as part 2 platform. So it's 2 platforms. TradingView is the platform. You need the second platform to place the trade, and then you need the broker, which can be the prop firm or a personal account. And it works on forex, it works on futures. You guys know that my philosophy, like just what I stand by, is I don't want things to be super expensive. So we're still working on the price, but we're gonna try not to go over a certain amount. But it is gonna be monthly, but we're gonna try not to go over a certain amount. And I would like we're trying not to go over 300 with it, but we'll see. We'll see, like, cause we've been working on this for months. And the reason we're not like trying to jump and put it out is because we don't want people to pay for it and they're blowing their accounts. That's why, like, we've been working on it for a long time, and we have beta testers. Because once this thing pops off, people gonna make a lot of money from this thing. Like, it's scary how much money people are gonna make from this. I mean, especially if it's trading like this. This is insane. This is on the day, June. Anyway, a 90% win rate in a month is crazy. So yeah, it would pay for itself. 100% it would pay for itself. Man, who you telling? Boy, who you telling? I'm about to put my whole family, my cousins, people who be asking me to trade them, like, just get the buy, bro. Just get the buy, bro. I already got 3,000 students in my Discord, bro. Just y'all get the buy. Like, bro, my cousins, my uncles that be asking me to teach them how to trade, my friends, y'all got it, bro. Still 6K automated for a month it is, bro. That's crazy. It looks like it's calculating that in less than a month. So yeah, I mean, look at the numbers. This is May 31st and June 22nd. That's less than a month. Imagine doing that with a personal account. Like, forget the prop firms. Like, this is a personal account. You know what I'm saying? So this is about to be crazy. Well, it doesn't matter because it'll calculate it for you. So remember, you can do the risk per trade right here. So you can put this number down to, I only want to risk $150 per trade. And if you're doing the micros, it'll get as close to 150 as possible. So you'll set alerts right here, and we'll go through a whole process for that. This is gonna be over before July ends. We trying to put this out next week. Like, we trying to put this joint out next week. It's just, we gotta make sure that this works. Like, it has to work, and it has to be good. I know y'all ready. I'm ready. I don't want to trade no more, y'all. I ain't even gonna front. As much as I love it, bruh, when I sent y'all the message today about the trade that I was in, like, I got out early, man, because my kids was like climbing all over me, bro. I'm tired of being stressed out about that, bro. Like, I can't hide nowhere. They'll find me. I went to the bathroom and they bust the door open and started crying. I was like, I can't do this. Like, every time, bruh. And literally, I can't do this no more. So as soon as this box ready, bro, we up. I ain't trading no more, bro. Until they go to school. So anyway, that's that. Anybody got any questions before I move on? And then I'm gonna answer all the questions. But specifically questions about the Breakaway Bot. And then I'm gonna do the inner circle, and then we'll go over everything else. You said it could trade options too? I don't know actually. I know for a fact it's futures and forex. I'm not 100% sure about options yet. What platforms do we need to trade on the bot? So you'll need TradingView, you'll need Ghost, QuantCrawler, and then a broker or a prop firm. What's the second platform? It's called QuantCrawler. We'll send you the link. Don't get anything yet. We'll send you the correct link. So please don't get anything yet. Having a full-time job and catching trades is hard. Yeah, that's facts. Now imagine an automation catching trades for you and you can work your job and then quit your job. Can you use it for eval? You absolutely can. Yep. You see how Apex is right here? We hate Apex though. They're actually partnered. There you go, Tradify. You'll see that? If you use their code, you get a deal. So yep, you can use it for eval. We need the bot. Me too. I feel you. 3 under 3 goes from QuantCrawler. Okay. Everyone breathe. Woosah. It would be tough with that's true. You got to pick a contract. That's true. What you say about let me see that MF today? Man, you changing people's lives. I'm trying, bro. I be changing clients to get alerts. For the alerts, do you need to change the time frame as well? No, Apex is definitely trash. Blew my account today because I got it rushed. Yeah, a lot of people cooked their accounts today. A lot of people did. Like what could I pay to see what's up? OG Trill, give me 10 bands. You'll make it back tomorrow. Give me 10 bands, you can get it early. But I'm just waiting for, yeah, please wait for the bot. How much will it cost monthly? We're trying not to go over 300. Y'all know I stand on affordability, so we're trying to make it affordable, but also fair, because we've been working on this for like months, a long time. People really struggling, need it, thank you, bro. Got you, 500 a day, 5 accounts, 25. Bro, that's what I'm saying. You know what that bot could do for you? You could copy trade, bro. Man, what? Yeah, the bot's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. Imagine 5 to 10, bro, imagine 20 accounts with the bot. So this is gonna be our tagline. Y'all wanna hear the tagline? All you gotta do is withdraw and pay your taxes. That's all you gotta do. Withdraw and pay your taxes. That's all you gotta do. Yeah, the taxes is crazy. Unless you live in Puerto Rico or not, somewhere else. I need a tax person too. Will we have an affiliate program? We're working on it. I work full time and keep missing trades in a day or otherwise. Yeah, can't be president. Yeah, I know. 10 accounts, 250, bruh. I believe it. I believe it. He's already blessing, but I believe it. God about to go crazy. I already know. Move to Florida and avoid taxes. Is that the play? Is that really the play? People have to understand the price of the bot is going to be cake when you're funded, literally 300. If he keeps the price or below, it's a steal with trading. Don't trip. That's facts. Y'all heard her. That's facts. LC helps, not financial advice. Good job, Flo. Good job. Will you have a tutorial on forex? Yep. Sounds too good. It does. Copy trades and max out those props. Yep. That's it. Shoot. And we probably could, because I hate Apex so much, I'm going to probably get 25 Apex jumps and just run it up until they kick me off the platform. Yeah, because I hate Apex. Okay, 20 accounts, yeah. And then they're going to deny my payout. Government going to have to take their job and fine me for the time. Bro, you can go to jail. No, you can't do that. You go to jail, bro. 1,000 successful traders within the year. Y'all know that's my goal, right? He said you got warrants. Y'all know that's my goal. Before the end of the year, I want to develop 1,000 profitable traders. Shoot, I might have 10. God might exceed my expectations. We might have 10,000 profitable traders with this bot. Y'all know I got we just hit 14,000 followers on Instagram. Did you guys sign up for the wait list yet? Can we have it by July 1st? I don't know if it's gonna be that quick. All right, here's the wait list I put in the chat. I don't know if it's gonna be out before the 4th of July. I know, but it gotta be good. I believe they do. I believe they have a partnership with Lucid. 3,000. I'll give you the code right now. No, I'm joking. You gotta wait. Oh, the bot gonna be on auto pay. Look, this the play. Can I give y'all the play real quick? This the bot play. I'm gonna give y'all the bot play. This the play. Y'all ready for this? This is literally the play with the bot, especially if you haven't been doing good in the market. I need 10 people to say, what's the play? I need 10 people to say, what's the play? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. All right, this the play, guys. This the play right here. All right, y'all, dang, okay. All right. All right, this is it right here, this is it, this is the move. You start with 1 account, right? The bot does it for you. You pass it. Then you get the payout, and then you get 3 more prop firms. Pass with them, and then you get 3 more prop firms. Then you pass with them, get the payout, 3 more. So when you get to 20 prop firms, you just make small plays every day. Withdraw, I would say 50% of the gains and put that in your personal account. Like personal broker account. Try to get to 50 bands in the personal broker and let it trade that way. So now you don't have rules for the prop firm. Now you got leverage. Now you know what I'm saying? You can move around, like, you know what I'm saying? Just boom, 50, boom, 50. And then, you know, you pull out 10K every week or two. Imagine 10K every week. Boom, you got 40 bands a month. You try to bring that 50 to 100, and then you pull out 20 a week. And then you pull that 100, you put it to 200. Then you pull out, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's the play. So you just keep withdrawing like that. So all you gotta do, Bree got happy. I'm recording, y'all, we good. So that's the play, guys. So, but instead of putting your money inside of the broker at first, because that's the goal, guys. You don't want to stay with prop firms forever, right? Now you could be the prop firm trader. Like, you could just, you know what I'm saying? You could do what you want. But if you want to have no rules, if you want to, you know what I'm saying? Like, go crazy, just compound that thing. Take 20 from the prop firms that you made. And so look, that means you're like, let's just say you got 20 accounts right now, and it's just from the bot. You got 20 accounts. If you bring in 20,000 from 2 weeks of trading, you just put 10 aside and put that in your broker. And you just let that jump sit. And then you make money the next week. Put another 10. In a month, you'll have 50K in there. And honestly, because Ghost Trading has a copy trader, you literally could trade both at the same time. You can trade 5 different prop firms, and you could trade your personal account. So now you withdraw from all different angles, and just one of them doesn't have rules. That's the play, y'all. We all about to eat. We all about to eat. Oh, I'm more than confident. After seeing this, 89% win rate, oh yeah, we about to eat. Oh, we about to eat. We about to eat. You mean to tell me the biggest drawdown that we had was $600, but the total P&L was 65? Please. You know how many houses I'm about to get? Release the Kraken. Release the Kraken. 89% for a month it's not just good, it's great. That's better, bruh. That's better than most of us. You taking your chicken, cuz. I need that chicken, kid. All my LA folk. Yeah, let's get this money. Some people sit and make 300 a day for 8 hours. That's what I'm saying, bro. But y'all about to make me drop stuff. That's what I'm saying, bruh. Yes. Bruh, Corey said some people sit and make 300 a day for 8 hours of work, and you can make it in one trade. Bruh, you're doing that without looking at your phone. You're not even looking at the phone. You just watching Netflix. You just breathing. I think QuantCrawler is $50. God led me the right way. I knew doom scrolls went for nothing. Let's go. You done got blessed. You done got blessed. Give us 2 months to eat and then raise the price. That's also what we're thinking. Like that's also what we're thinking of, just like, all right, for the first 2 months, when we start getting a lot of testimonials, like people like, yo, like I'm getting paid out like crazy from it. Like it's not gonna be under 300 forever. Not if, look, I'm gonna just be honest, just to be fair for us, if we sold the bot at $200 a month, but people making 20,000 a month from it, bruh, that's not fair. So yeah, we gonna, yes ma'am. How many things we got to buy? Bot, prop, and QuantCrawler? No, you don't need TradeSync because QuantCrawler has the copy trader on it. You need to understand how to trade and how to manage your trade, yes. Yes, the bot will be very beginner friendly. Do the bot only work on, no, I just went over that. Personal account. You trade it with your personal. Okay, all right. Any more questions on the bot before I move to the mentorship? Ivan, I'm weak. Hey, 3K a day, keep the foreclosure away. Will you drop a setup video? Of course. Will you be helping set up the bot? No. But there'll be videos, but I will not. Look at here. I'm gonna show you guys why. I'm gonna show you guys why I'm not gonna do that. There's 374 people on the wait list. I can't help 374 people set up. So we're gonna make it very clear and concise that we're just gonna do it. Will we be able to trade 2 things at the same time? That's a good question. I believe we might, and we might. Next thing, inner circle. Okay. This is my inner circle, guys. We have 72 people that signed up for the wait list. I'm only accepting 10 people. What the inner circle is going to consist of, this is going to be the price. It is going to be expensive, but what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be trading with you guys 3 times a day. I mean, whoa. No, I'm not. I'll be trading with y'all 3 times a week. I was say, not 3 times a day. Whoa. 3 times a week. We'll be trading live together. We're going to have intensive homework, intensive accountability. This is really designed for struggling traders, less than beginner traders, because we're not going to spend a lot of time on like how to do things. It's going to be more so about how to improve on your psychology, how to improve on your actual trading. So the reason that it's going to be small and not a big group is because I'm going to be paying a lot of attention to a lot of you guys. And it's going to be a 60-day mentorship. It's really going to be boot camp style. Zoe Bean Queen said, I'm going to be putting the belt to the behind, which is very true. I'm holding you accountable. So if you sign up for this, just know I'm going to be on your head top. And then when you get the inner circle, right, you'll get the course for free. VIP will be free. And then once you finish, you'll get a huge discount on the bot. It'll be a lifetime discount on the bot. So that's what the inner circle is going to consist of. And then the reason why you are not going to have access to the bot, and if you pay for it, we're going to give you your money back. Like if you're in the inner circle and you pay for the bot, we're refunding you and we're revoking access because we are going to need you to focus on the actual strategy. So that's what the inner circle is going to be all about. Does anybody have any questions for that? But you'll be able to have access to the indicator for free. You'll get the course for free. VIP will be free. Everything that I offer will pretty much be free except for the bot, and you'll get a big discount after. So will you reset after 60 days or the next group for the, it depends. It depends. Oh yeah, soybean, you can cook. My goal, like this is my secret goal. I try to outperform the indicator. Like when I'm in the market, like live, I try to outperform it. The indicator performs better than me like most times though. It's kind of annoying. All right, well, if nobody has questions, was this good? Was this informative? Do you guys feel good? Yeah, we're gonna do an application process. So she said you're not good until you get the 5.